Hey, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'll guide you through the process of converting a video to audio on your iPhone. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Now, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Shortcuts app, tap on the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Give it a name, for example, I'll call it Converter. Now, go to the bottom of the Shortcuts app, tap on the Information button, and enable Show and Share Sheet. Set the input type to Media and tap on Clear to remove any previous input. Then, select Media and press Done. Next, add an action, tap on Search for Apps and Actions type Encode and select Encode Media. Expand the menu, and enable Audio Only. Add another action by typing Save and select Save File. Enable Ask Where to Save for flexibility. Once done, press Done to save the shortcut configuration. Close the Shortcuts app and open the Photos app. Find the video you want to convert, tap on the Share button, and scroll down to find your shortcut name, Converter in my case. Tap on it, and it will start preparing the conversion. A pop-up will appear, acting as a file explorer. Choose a location to save the audio file, tap on Browse again, select your preferred folder, and press Open. Now, you'll see a tick indicating that the conversion is complete. Open your Files app, navigate to the save location, and you'll find your audio file ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a video to audio on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and peace out.